God is saying to you today, don't even think about quitting. You are going to make it, no matter what it looks like right now. I know you are worried about your finances, your health, and your family. Remember, I always work in your favor. I will bless you today with peace, healing, and victory if you don't quit. I am going to bring something wonderful out the situation you are in. Get ready for your blessings. Whatever it is you are praying about today, have faith that God is working it out. I know that these times haven't been easy. Sometimes it feels too hard to go on. Believe in your heart that there is going to be a turning around in your situation. Wherever you are, whatever you are facing, God is with you. I am believing today for your answers. You are hearing your blessings and God favor in your life. You never know what someone is dealing with behind closed doors. No matter how happy someone looks, how much they laugh, or how big their smile is, there can still be a level of heart that is indescribable. So be kind, even when others are not. Choose to be kind. God is saying to you today, my grace is giving you the strength to run and finish the race. It's easy to start the race, but it's more challenging to keep going. Everything is possible with me. I am with you always. Your greatness is coming alive. Your light is shining brighter. Nothing or nobody can stop what's meant for you. Move towards your vision. It must manifest. God says, I know that you feel misunderstood, forgotten, and overseen. I want to tell you that I understand you. I will never forget you, and I will always love you. You are special. I am ready to start a new chapter. I am ready to manifest abundance. I welcome love into my life. I am ready for growth. I am ready to accept change. Are you ready? God says, I don't understand what is happening in my life right now, but I still trust you. God is saying to you today, better days are coming. You are coming out of that. Your health will improve. You are going to get the job. You are going to pass the test. The tears, pain, and sleepless nights are coming to an end. You will meet the right person. Blessings are coming your way. God is saying to you today, never forget, I am always with you, in good times and in bad times, on mountain tops and in valleys, in joy and tears, in blessings and in trials. Whatever you are going through, I am right there beside you, every day, every night, every step of the way. I love you and I won't leave you. Trust me to take care of you and be faithful to you in every season that you walk through. God is saying to you today, my child, you are worrying too much. Remember, there is nothing hard for me. You may not see it, but everything will work out in the end. Have faith. God is saying to you today, look up. Your help is in me, not in man. I am doing a new thing in your life. It shall spring forth for all to see. I am removing the wrong people from your life and positioning you for something better and bigger. They thought they hurt you, but I am the one who removed them. Stop crying over the loss and disappointment. You need to refocus your energy on the new thing I am birthing in your life. Believe in what I am doing. Everything will end in your favor. God is saying to you today, hold yourself to higher standard daily. Your family, friends, and co-workers all to look you for their cause. Be mindful to lift the vibration in every room you enter. Trust me and let go. Greatness is in your DNA. Each day you have a new chance to develop new ideas, reach for a new goals, and conquer new mountains. You have something special. You have greatness within you. God is saying to you today, before you overreact, pray. It's okay. I understand that. You are only human, and sometimes things seem out of your control, and you might doubt my power. But do not doubt my power, because I will support and help you. I am omnipotent. I love you. God is saying to you today, it's time for you to smile again. Never forget. You are not alone in this. Let me help you. My angels are by your side. Relax and just trust me. I have an amazing plan for your life. Believe in it till it manifests for you. Don't overthink how it will happen. Don't worry about when it will happen. Just believe it, allow it, let it fall in. Stay patient. My timing is perfect. I have something bigger planned for you. And trust me, you are going to love it. Like this video to affirm.